this is how to reset your oil percentage and find out what the service vehicle soon message means. So we're going to do it in two parts. First part is resetting the oil percentage. Going to use the menu button, the twisty bit and the set clear button on the end. And we're going to start, press the set clear, there's your change your engine oil, press the set clear, you're back to your normal dash. Right, so we go menu, vehicle information menu, then using the twisty thing, oh there we go, it's already come up. So you can use the twist to do all your menu settings, but then remaining oil life, as you can see, it's on 0. We've just serviced it, so we're going to press the set clear button, twist it up, press the set clear button again, 100%, there we go. Press the menu button and you're back to the regular dash. Now then, service vehicle soon. We'll just clear that, make sure that the oil percent doesn't come back up. Service vehicle soon, press the set clear button and you're back to the dash. So that's the oil percentage. So part 2, service vehicle soon. This isn't a message to say service the vehicle. This is a message to say get the vehicle into service because there's a fault. The only way you can clear that is with a diagnostic code reader. Now, as in all the best videos, here's one I prepared earlier. And as you can see, engine control module, 3 faults. Now, I've set this up because this is an Autel scanner and it goes into great detail, so I'd have been here for about 5 minutes setting it up. So basically, we're going to the faults. Trouble codes. And we've got 3 fault codes. We've got a glow plug, we've got a DPF regeneration frequency and immobilizer key incorrect. Well, it starts and runs. So what we're going to do, we're going to clear them. Do you want to clear? Yes, we'll clear them. And then if any come back, nothing in there, we'll just come back out, reading codes. Pass, no fault. Right, back to the dash. Cycle the ignition. Straight into the speedo. The fault codes have cleared. That's cleared the service vehicle soon. So I'm hoping that helps you. Remember, it's nothing to do with servicing the vehicle. That's the oil percentage that you need to do. Service vehicle soon, you are going to need a scanner to find out what's wrong with it. If it comes back on, then you're going to need to read it again, see if any of the codes come back. If they do, you've got a fault. If nothing comes back, it's just a typical computer glitch. We all know what they're like. They all have a funny turn every now and then. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If it does, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you with the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.